if you want to have a basic knowledge of the world of wines, you should keep in mind some red grape varieties in order to construct sensory memory. So the advice is simple: just taste. For example, Cabernet Franc, Cabernet Sauvignon, Gamay, of course, Grenache, Malbec, and Merlot, but also Vourverde, Nebbiolo, Norton, and of course Pinot Noir, Pinotage, which is a combination of Pinot and Hermitage. So you should have also a try for Sangiovese, of course, Syrah or Shiraz, maybe one of the most important. And if you have this basic knowledge, you can imagine also the combination of them. But in any case, you will be able, after the tasting, to characterize some common sensory descriptors in order to find those specific varieties. And to do that, you have to taste, of course, in a vertical way and also in a horizontal way, in order to complexify your knowledge also with the vintage and the vineyard.